This story is The Silly Chicken.
Silly Chicken may seem to be a simple children's story, but it's much more. Parents who know a few tips and tricks can use this book to help their children develop stronger skills in listening and speaking, thinking, problem solving, and understanding themselves and others better. It can also help children appreciate cultures and experiences different from their own. How can so much learning be inside the covers of one book? When parents know how to comment, ask, and respond to children during book sharing times, they open a whole new world of learning to their children. Watch Catherine as she shares the Silly Chicken story with children whose first language is not English. She uses tips and tricks that research shows to be effective in helping all children learn.
Look at their faces. This man looks mad.
A man?
Is that a man? Do you think it's a lady?
No.
What do you think, Sadie? A man or a lady? It's a mad person?
Yeah.
He looks angry. He's frowning. Okay, shall we read it and see what the story is?
Yeah.
And in the town there was a chicken.
Quack.
Oh, good chicken sound, eh?
Quack, quack, quack.
What says quack quack, Sadie?
Quack, quack,
What says quack
quack.
quack? A chicken doesn't say quack quack.
Ah.
A dog doesn't say quack quack.
A
Sadie?
duck.
Sadie?
Quack,
What says
a
quack quack?
A duck.
Whenever they want, oh, you're running around the world. Oh, I see, you're running around the world. Sadie, which one do you want to be? You're running around the whole world.
I want to be her. Oh, this one.
Oh, you want to be the camel?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I'm going.
You're going to be, do you want to see too?
Okay.
Yeah, I like her dress.
And they ran and they ran.
Ah, she said the chicken said that the earth was going to swallow them up,
Yeah.
and so they all ran away?
Yeah.
Ah,
Into space.
into space. Yeah, they ran up the mountains and down the mountains and all around the world. Why did they run?
Because the chicken said
Because the chicken said,
the earth will swallow them up. And then they came to the chicken.
and then they came back to the chicken and they said, hey chicken, how do you know the earth is going to swallow us up anyway? And
then
the chicken said,
I don't know. Why is she angry?
she looks angry and she looks like she's smiling. I don't know. What
Look,
about this guy? What do you
camel.
think?
Angry.
Ooh, she looks surprised.
Camel. Camel. What is?
Ah, camel. This boy looks a little confused. What are you talking about, chicken? We have a lot of emotions. Angry, confused, scared, maybe happy.
And what that?
Looks like a cup. What does it look like to you?
It looks like a chicken.
Chicken mug. Well, I guess if a chicken could talk, he might drink coffee. I don't know.
Maybe it's a bowl for. Maybe you put in some flowers in there.
Oh, a vase that you put flowers in?
Mhm.
Yeah, it does look like a vase. At first, the people just stared at the chicken.
I want to show you something.
What is it?
It's a bowl.
A what?
A bowl. You
A
put
bowl.
You
Yes.
put some food in
A
there.
bowl. Bowl and
A fork.
there's a fork.
And an egg.
And they laughed and laughed because they knew he wasn't an egg. Lilaway, you're an egg.
Questions about the story that begin with what? What's that? Or what does the chicken say? Encourage children with limited language skills to talk. What color is the snow? Prompts children to say one word, white. However, too many what questions can cause children to feel tested. At a very young age, children know when we ask questions that have only one right answer. Feeling tested about colors, shapes, numbers, and more can destroy children's love of books. Why and how questions have several possible answers. These open-ended questions spark children's thinking. Why is the camel sliding in the snow? is a question that lets children know we want to hear their thoughts. Comments can be as important as questions. I wonder what will happen next. Encourages children to wonder the same thing and make suggestions. Comments like, hey, everyone in this book wears something on their head, gives parents the opportunity to talk about cultural similarities and differences. It's essential that parents respond with interest to aspects of the book children notice. Sometimes that means telling children the name or action word for the picture they point to. Sometimes that means clearly repeating or modeling words they have tried to say. Sometimes that means introducing a new word. Remember when one child in the video suggested that the mug in the picture could hold flowers? Catherine introduced her to the word vase, a word the child didn't yet know. And sometimes responding with interest means exploring big ideas together, like being in outer space or thinking about life in another country. The Silly Chicken is a teaching tale, rich with learning opportunities and fun for children and parents alike.
Look at this.
More paint.
This one is beautiful, right?